these are portable hard drives and from different manufacturers, but one of them has broken or it has some issues. I can't use it on this computer. For example, if I try to plug this one, this is a Toshiba one. Okay, it's 500, it's 1 terabyte, it's from Toshiba. If I plug it to this cable and come to this computer, as you can see, I don't see it here. Okay, normally I was supposed to immediately see it there, but if I remove it and plug maybe this one, this is WD, and if I plug it, and you can even see this light which comes to this one, the light didn't come. Okay, the Toshiba one, the light didn't come. And if you come here to the computer as well, you can see it's here. It has two partitions. One is called local disk. Actually it is opening them. One is called TNT1, another one is called local disk G. Okay, there are two partitions. Before I had local disk C and local disk D. Now I have two more drives on my computer. Okay. Oh, don't do it this way. It's not the right way. Okay, so that means this hard drive has an issue. So what I'm going to do, because I'm trying to fix it, so I'm gonna open it and then plug it to this computer as in another way. So you will need one of these. You will need this SATA to USB cable, 2.5 inch, which is the one I have here. Where is it? It's here. I'll put the link in the video description. Or you will need this one. Okay, it's here and it's here. This one, if you put your drive, I'll show you later, if you put your drive in this, it will become like a portable, drive. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to open this one. So you will need something to open. I'm going to use one of the screw drives here. I'm gonna use this one. The links for everything, they are in the video description. So you're gonna find out how to open it. Make sure you remove this one. Okay, the one with the light. This small, where it is supposed to light. It's here. It's this one. Okay. Do it carefully because we don't want to break the inside. This is the inside of your hard drive, of your portable hard drive. This is how it looks inside, and this is where all your data are located. Okay, they're here. So as now you can see, I have this one. Most of the times this one is very okay, still alive. Okay, and if it is still alive, that means you can use one of these things, these tools I showed you. This is the one you can use in case. For example, if I open this one, this enclosure from Sabrent, yes, it's from Sabrent. Okay, I think you can read it there. Okay, if I open it and oh, it's closed, I can't see everything. Okay, as now it's this one. So what we're going to do, you're going to remove this one. because if you can see here inside this one, it has something similar. How can I show? Okay, then I will move this one. You have to be very careful. It's here. Focus my camera. It's here. And then this is what I have right now. So if I plug this one into this, okay, it's this way. Okay, perfect. I can now close and it becomes, you know, I can now close and it becomes the portable hard drive. But the problem, does it work? We will see. Now let's use this one. This one. As you can also see, it has this, this is the head. And if you try to compare, it has some similarities. Okay, so we're gonna now plug this to this, make sure it is the right way. Okay, now this is the other end. It's a USB, as you can see. This is it. Okay, now if I plug it to my computer, let's see. Have you heard that sound? Look at the computer, it's here. It has come and it is called Local Disk E. It has 1 terabyte, as you can see. So now all my datas are still on here. They're here. What I can do right now, because I don't know how many days this drive is going to continue to be okay, to function well. What I suggest, what I advise you is that you can copy everything from your computer to another, from this drive to another drive if you have it. If you don't have it, then you can keep this very carefully. Okay, I hope this video, probably you find it very helpful in a very easy way. So I thank you for watching it, and kindly share the video with someone else. You never know, on your social medias it might help someone else. And consider to subscribe as well. And if you have a question, please ask in the video comment description. Thank you, in the video comment section. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.